Toyota's Highlander Hybrid is making a bold statement for the 2024 model year with the introduction of the new Nightshade Edition. This edition features a blackout treatment to the wheels, grille, mirror caps, and rear badging, adding an extra layer of style to the diverse Highlander lineup. Available on LE and XLE grades, the Nightshade Edition offers captivating details such as uniquely trimmed black seats with silver accents on the XLE grade. The Highlander lineup offers a variety of efficient hybrid or turbocharged four-cylinder options, with the hybrid models boasting up to a remarkable 36 combined MPG rating. The 2024 Highlander is available in 6 different hybrid grades and 5 different gas grades, with seating options for up to 8 people. The hybrid models are equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine, while the gas grades feature a 2.4-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine. New additions for the 2024 model year include a hands-free power liftgate, now standard on all XLE and XSE grades. The Highlander also offers a choice of front-wheel or all-wheel drive, with options within all-wheel drive drivetrains including electronic on-demand all-wheel drive for the hybrid grades and dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive for the gas, XSE, limited, and platinum grades. Toyota is committed to a beyond zero future, aiming for carbon neutrality and a positive impact on the planet and society. The Highlander plays a part in this vision, with Toyota offering a total of 16 electrified vehicles, including 12 hybrid models, 2 plug-in hybrid models, the BZ4X battery electric vehicle, and the Mirai hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle. The Highlander Hybrid Nightshade Edition continues the tradition of bold style with blacked-out touches, available in exterior color choices of cement, wind chill pearl, midnight black metallic, or ruby flare pearl, all sitting on black-painted 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The interior of the Highlander Hybrid Nightshade Edition features black fabric-trimmed seats for the LE grade and black two-tone Softex-trimmed seats with unique embossed fabric inserts and silver accent stitching for the XLE grade. Both grades come with an 8-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility standard, with the option for the XLE Nightshade to upgrade to a 12.3-inch touchscreen. The Highlander offers a host of additional available connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect, enhancing the driving experience with a range of convenience and safety features. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.